Give up the illusion because your only job here is to heal you.
How can a person with childhood trauma who also has a difficult attitude be helped to heal and coach?
They can only be healed if they want to. If they don't want to be healed, if they're not admitting that they have something to work on, give up the illusion because your only job here is to heal you. And hopefully when you start healing you, ay, gusto ko yung nangyayari kay. Sige na nga, gusto ko mag-heal. Pero wala tayong obligasyon at trabaho heal ibang tao. Ang only obligation we have is to start healing ourselves. That's why I'm inviting you guys, no? Maybe I'd like to ask to talk about your awakening experience. Makalimutan, nakaupo sa harap, pangatlo, sa right side ko, nga siya from beginning to end, at ubos sa id ang kanyang iyak.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. Kasi this is just very little na may babalik ko sa naibigay sa akin ng awakening. And yan, na-comment ko nga dyan, awakening has been a gateway for me to find myself again. The last 3 years has been very, well, I don't want to name it because I've already worked my way out of it.